Today is the longest day of the year because tonight is the shortest night of the year. And we are in Juneau, Alaska.
Latitude 58.
Latitude 58. I have not seen it dark at all. Granted, I'm asleep by midnight. And, well, to be honest,
Let's be honest, Tom.
I'm asleep by 9:30 and up at
He's
7:30.
He's catching up. He's catching up on.
Well, because I know that if once we're active on the water, pulling in fish, Dave, what time will you be getting up in the morning?
4.
4? Did you get up at 4?
For a king opener, I'd be up at 4, no question about it.
Okay.
Yep.
When we were doing tuna, were you up at 4 for tuna?
No.
Okay, because I remember 5:30.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it was a slow mornings for me. I'm not a morning person. No.
No?
So longest day of the year. What did we do today? We didn't go to work for someone else.
That's right.
We didn't go to work for someone
Right.
else.
Well, we looked for the cat.
We looked for the cat.
Still looking for the cat.
Have not found one. We saw the lynx. We wanted that to be our cat,
Right.
but
But anyhow, the cat. Yeah. Don't know.
we did. You decided to
I
go
did some fine cabinetry.
Oh, that's right. You
Yep.
did some fine cabinetry. There's a.
I
Should we
built-
show them? Maybe
it-
not. They're not ready for it.
Yeah.
They're not ready. We need
There's
to.
a shelf underneath the sink now that didn't exist before. And that's a great thing.
It just makes life easier.
Yeah.
You also decided to go swimming.
I dove the boat this afternoon. I was a little apprehensive. I thought it was going to be really cold, and it was not. With a wetsuit, I was fine. And it's we use a setup where we use compressed air off a compressor to dive, and it's just so easy.
Mm-hmm.
And I had this boat out last September, and no significant growth, which is great.
Yeah.
So it was a very easy thing to do, to go in and clean it and wipe down the water line and pop back out. I think it was in for less than an hour.
Oh, way
Maybe
less.
45.
Yeah,
40,
45.
something like that.
I mean, total in the water, maybe.
Yeah.
30 to 45.
Yep.
Super fast.
Yep.
Fast.
Yeah, no big deal.
Yeah, I didn't do anything that adventurous. I decided to go on the scooter for like an hour and a half today. That was my big job.
Tom's going to buy a scooter.
I'm going to buy an electric scooter. They're so ridiculously fun. People give you funny looks on them. And I've given people funny looks on them. But now I've been riding one almost every day for the last few days, and I'm hooked. I saw another fella with a scooter just down the way.
He's got the expensive one.
He's got the expensive one. There was some scooter envy that looked like a full suspension model rolling down.
Did he even look at you, or
Didn't even
he just
look at
was
me.
like, whatever?
He was just like, my scooter's better than your scooter.
Yeah, I don't even see you.
Kept
Your
on
scooter
going.
sucks so bad.
Yeah.
Right.
And our scooter's great.
We have
his
the
scooter.
$400 scooter. He has the $2,000 scooter.
Yeah, I ain't spending $2,000 on a scooter.
400 is fine.
400 is fine.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit more.
Ooh.
Maybe.
Ooh.
I don't know.
Just as long as it's not faster than mine, I don't care.
Well, that's the funny thing. We were joking about, at first it was in kilometers, and it's 25 kilometers. It's maxed out at 25 kilometers an
Limited
hour.
to 25.
Limited to. It's intentionally restricted. And then we decided to change it to miles per hour, and it's still the same speed. It's 15 miles per hour. But just seeing the number on the display emotionally, or it just seems slower now. It's not, of course. It's not.
Right.
Yeah. These are the important things we talk about
Yep.
while we're on the boat, because this is serious business.
I got to play pickleball yesterday for the first time in a million years. That was fun.
They
And
look like it was a great location.
Yep, back in Cope Park.
Yeah.
And ran into some people I've known for, God, almost my whole life. Since I was 13.
Yeah.
Something like that, 10, 13.
That's sweet to reconnect with folks.
Yep.
Yeah.
It really is.
Yeah. So,
Boat's coming along.
boat's coming along.
Yep. Starting to look good, feel good.
Yeah.
All
We're
that.
going to install a diesel heater. Van lifers love these diesel heaters. Actually, I think it goes back and forth. Van lifers, you know, find these marine grade things and that are established for boats, and they put them in the vans. This is it. It's a little
This will
tiny
make
thing.
your life fantastic
Yeah.
when it's cold and wet and shitty. These are like a little ray of sunshine, a big ray of sunshine.
Yeah.
And they're very efficient, and they make your whole world dry and warm. And
Seems like a fairly simple install, or is it a little challenging?
it just, you want to get it right.
You want to
You
get
know,
it right.
You're going to have to cut holes in your boat for exhaust, holes in your boat for air intake, wire it correctly, put in a fuel pump correctly,
Right.
plumb the fuel line correctly.
Right.
None of it's difficult on its own, but put it all together,
together.
it's got all the components
Mm-hmm.
of just got to give it some time and do one thing at a time.
Yep.
But
Yeah.
it'll happen. I've got it all figured out now, where it's going to go, how the runs are going to go.
Yeah.
Little bit of a question mark on fuel, how to get fuel to it, but I'll figure that out.
Yeah. I think you found the perfect spot.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to think of what. There's still things to do, but as far as the major list stuff,
Yeah.
is
We're getting it knocked
we're
out.
getting pretty close.
And then there's all the stuff to do that's not even on the list, but
Oh,
you know,
all the fishing gear,
all the fishing gear, you know, this and that.
checking out all the lines on the boat.
We haven't even tried running any of the gear yet.
We haven't pulled. I haven't pulled the arms down, the
Poles.
poles. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it's promising, and she's gonna be cute.
Oh, it's
gonna be
it's
a cute-
already cute.
It's gonna be a cute little boat.
It's a great boat already. Yeah. Well, with that, I mean, it's day whatever it is of not working for somebody else
Because we quit our jobs.
because we quit our jobs. We're not recommending that for everybody, but most everybody.
But personally, it works for us.
It works for us. Healthcare is a weird issue.
Stay healthy, everybody.
Stay healthy. But yeah, that's all I've got. You got anything?
I'm good.
Yeah,
We've been good. This is a long one.
it is.
We're
Ooh,
losing. They're dropping off. They're dropping like flies.
They are.
We
They're
gotta say
dropping off.
goodbye.
Thanks again for watching. See ya.